Hey, Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great Ask a Ninja from Kyle in Frankfort, Delaware about installing a foundation vent fan in an encapsulated crawl space. Stay tuned. Kyle in Frankfurt, we really appreciate you writing into the Ask a Ninja. And if you have a question for us, we're going to put a link to the Ask a Ninja forum down below. And if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to basements, attics, crawl spaces, and ductwork. Hope you'll ring that notifications bell and subscribe to our channel. Okay, Kyle. Well, first of all, I just want to say that we are in the process of getting the Delaware franchise up and running. But let's get into Kyle's question. I'm just going to read it to you. I recently installed a Lamanco vent fan in my crawl space after encapsulating it using products that I bought from your company on our DIY store, diy.crawlspaceninja.com. Very satisfied. Should I block off the vent fan in the winter to prevent cold air from entering? The humidity in the winter is low, so the fan will not run all the time. Okay, so that's a great question, Kyle. First of all, I want to talk to you a little bit about why we use the vent fan. Okay, for us, the vent fan is not designed to control humidity. Okay, a lot of pest control companies out there and different companies out there, they use vent fans, foundation vent fans to control humidity. Okay, so we don't use it for that purpose. We use it for the purpose that the EPA states, the Environmental Protection Agency talks about whenever you completely enclose a crawl space, if you have soil gases in the crawl space. When you go from a vented crawl space, all the soil gases were able to escape because it's like having the windows open in the crawl space. When you encapsulate the crawl space and you seal those vents, you restrict the ability for the soil gases to disperse out of those vents because they're air sealed. And where do those soil gases go? They go up into your living space. So according to the EPA, you should have 1 CFM of air running for every 50 square feet of crawl space blowing out, okay, of the crawl space. I assume you have your vent fan powered to blow out of the crawl space. Okay, so if it's blowing out, I would leave it running all the time because, again, it's not designed to control humidity. It's designed to control soil gases. That's why the EPA wants encapsulated crawl space to have that active ventilation 24/7, 365. And to be honest with you, you can test it out, okay, and see if your temperature in the crawl space is affected by the fan blowing. Here and all of our franchise locations that we've had up and running so far, the temperature typically is not affected by the fan. So you shouldn't have to worry about the crawl space getting too cold. But again, we want those soil gases being pushed out of the crawl space 24/7 so that you all don't have to worry about odors and potentially things like radon and different things. Not that this is a radon mitigation system. Okay, if you have high levels of radon, then you may want to install a radon mitigation system, and every state is different on how that is done. But remember, any radon is not good. So if we can get, even if you have low radon levels, that active ventilation, that foundation fan can still push those low radon levels out because we don't want you exposed to any radon. There's no benefit at all to it whatsoever. And I've got a quick question for you all out there in Crawl Space Ninja land. What do you look for in a contractor? Okay, when you hire somebody to work on your home, are you focused on quality? Are you focused on price? Or are you focused on reputation? We'd like to know down below in the comments. And my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.